Stop me if you've heard this before. You study English every day, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out. You freeze. You panic. You think, I'll never sound American. Well, if that's you, listen to this. In just 30 days, you can go from nervous and quiet to confident and fluent, but only if you stop doing what everyone else is doing.
That's right. Most learners waste months studying the wrong way. They memorize lists, they read textbooks, and guess what? They still can't order coffee without sweating. Today, we're going to show you the real way Americans speak and how you can start sounding natural in just 1 month.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speak Leo English. I'm here with my co-host and we are so excited you're here. If you want to speak real American English, not textbook English, you're in the right place. We don't teach boring grammar rules. We teach you how Americans actually talk every single day.
Exactly. And today's lesson is special. We're giving you a 30-day confidence boost. Why? Because speaking English isn't about being perfect. It's about being confident. When you're confident, people understand you. When you're confident, conversations feel easy. So if you're ready to transform your English in 1 month, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's practice real American English together.
Okay, so let's talk about the problem first. Why do so many learners feel nervous when they speak English?
It's simple. They're afraid of making mistakes. They think, if I say the wrong word, Americans will laugh at me. But here's the truth. Americans don't care if you make small mistakes. They care if you can communicate.
Exactly. And you know what else? Most learners study English for years, but they never actually practice speaking. They think reading and listening is enough. It's not.
Right. You can't learn to swim by reading a book about swimming. You have to jump in the water. Same with English. You have to speak, even if you make mistakes.
So here's what we're going to do today. We're going to teach you 8 powerful phrases that Americans use every single day. These phrases will make you sound confident and natural, and we're going to show you exactly how to practice them in 30 days.
Let's start with phrase number 1. Instead of saying, I think maybe, Americans say, I'm pretty sure. Listen to the difference. I think maybe the store is open. That sounds unsure, right?
Yeah, it sounds like you're guessing. But if you say, I'm pretty sure the store is open, that sounds confident. You sound like you know what you're talking about.
Exactly. So repeat after me. I'm pretty sure. Say it with us. I'm pretty sure.
Great job. Now use it in a sentence. I'm pretty sure the meeting starts at 3. See how natural that sounds? You're not saying, I know for sure, but you're also not saying, I have no idea.
Perfect. That's the American way. Now phrase number 2. Instead of saying, can you help me, try saying, could you give me a hand? This is super common in American English.
Yeah, give me a hand means help me, and it sounds friendly and casual. Americans use this all the time at work, at home, with friends.
Let's practice. Say it with us. Could you give me a hand?
Nice. Now imagine you're at work and you need help carrying boxes. You could say, hey, could you give me a hand with these boxes? That sounds so much more natural than, can you help me carry boxes?
Absolutely. Okay, phrase number 3. Instead of saying, I don't understand, say, I'm a little confused. Why? Because I don't understand can sound too direct or even rude sometimes.
Right. I'm a little confused sounds polite and gentle. It shows you're trying to understand, but you need more information. Americans appreciate that.
Let's try it. I'm a little confused. Say it with us. I'm a little confused.
Perfect. Now use it. Imagine your boss explains something complicated. You can say, I'm a little confused. Could you explain that again? See? Polite, confident, and very American.
Love it. Now phrase number 4. Instead of saying, I want to, Americans often say, I'd love to. This makes you sound enthusiastic and positive.
Yeah, I'd love to is warmer than I want to. For example, if someone invites you to lunch, don't say, I want to go. Say, I'd love to. It sounds so much friendlier.
Let's practice. I'd love to. Say it with us. I'd love to.
Excellent. Now try this. Your friend says, do you want to grab coffee? You say, I'd love to. What time? That sounds natural and excited.
Perfect. Okay, phrase number 5. Instead of saying, wait a minute, say, hold on a sec. This is super casual and very American.
Yeah, hold on a sec means I need a moment. Sec is short for second. You'll hear this everywhere in the USA.
Let's try it. Hold on a sec. Say it with us. Hold on a sec.
Great. Now imagine you're on the phone and someone knocks on your door. You say, hold on a sec, someone's at the door. That's how Americans talk in real life.
Exactly. Now phrase number 6. Instead of saying, I must go, say, I've got to run. This is super common when Americans need to leave quickly.
Yeah, gotta is short for got to, and run means leave. So I've gotta run means I have to leave now. You'll hear this at the end of conversations all the time.
Let's practice. I've got to run. Say it with us. I've got to run.
Nice. Now use it. Your friend is talking, but you're late for work. You say, sorry, I've gotta run. Talk to you later. That sounds natural and polite.
Perfect. Now phrase number 7. Instead of saying, thank you very much, try thanks a ton or thanks so much. These are more casual and friendly.
Right. Thank you very much is fine, but it can sound formal. Americans prefer thanks a ton or thanks so much in everyday conversations.
Let's try it. Thanks a ton. Say it with us. Thanks a ton.
Excellent. Now imagine your coworker helps you with a project. You say, thanks a ton. I really appreciate it. That sounds warm and genuine.
Love that. Okay, last one. Phrase number 8. Instead of saying, I'm sorry I'm late, say, sorry I'm running late. This sounds more natural and less formal.
Yeah, running late is a common American expression. It means you're late, but you're on your way. It's what we say when we're in a hurry.
Let's practice. Sorry I'm running late. Say it with us. Sorry I'm running late.
Perfect. Now imagine you're texting your friend. You say, sorry I'm running late. Be there in 10 minutes. That's exactly how Americans text and talk.
Awesome. So those are your 8 phrases. Now, how do you practice these in 30 days? Let me break it down for you.
Week 1. Pick 2 phrases from today's lesson. Use them every single day. Say them out loud when you wake up. Say them when you're cooking. Say them when you're walking. The goal is to make them automatic.
Week 2. Add 2 more phrases. Now you're up to 2. Add 2 more phrases. Now you're using 4 phrases every day. Practice with a friend, with yourself in the mirror, or even with your pet. Just speak out loud.
Week 3, add 2 more phrases. Now you're up to 6. Start using them in real conversations. Text your friends in English. Comment on YouTube videos. Order food in English if you can. The more you use these phrases, the more confident you'll feel.
Week 4, add the last 2 phrases. Now you're using all 8. At this point, these phrases should feel natural. You're not thinking about them anymore. You're just talking.
Exactly. And that's the American way. We don't speak perfect English. We speak confident English. We use simple phrases. We repeat ourselves. We keep it casual.
All right, now let's do a quick role play. I'm going to be the learner, and you're going to be my American friend. Correct me if I sound unnatural, okay?
Got it. Let's go. I think maybe we can meet tomorrow.
Okay, stop right there. That sounds unsure. Try this instead. I'm pretty sure we can meet tomorrow. Say it with confidence.
I'm pretty sure we can meet tomorrow.
Perfect. That sounds so much better. Keep going.
Okay. Can you help me with something?
Good, but try this. Could you give me a hand with something? It's more natural.
Could you give me a hand with something?
Yes, you sound like a native speaker now. Great job.
Thanks. Okay, one more. I don't understand this question.
All right, that's okay, but try this. I'm a little confused about this question. It sounds softer and more polite.
I'm a little confused about this question.
Excellent, you did it. See how easy that was?
I love it. Okay, everyone watching, did you see that? Small changes make a huge difference. You don't need to change everything. Just use these simple American phrases and you'll sound natural.
Exactly. And remember, confidence is a choice. You can choose to speak even if you're nervous. You can choose to practice even if you make mistakes. Every time you try, you get better.
So here's your homework. Pick one phrase from today's lesson, just one. Write it in the comments below. Use it in a sentence. We want to see you practice.
Yeah, don't just watch, participate. The more you engage, the faster you'll improve. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Speak Leo English. We post new lessons every week to help you speak real American English.
All right, let's do a quick recap. What did we learn today?
We learned 8 powerful phrases. I'm pretty sure. Could you give me a hand? I'm a little confused. I'd love to. Hold on a sec. I've got to run. Thanks a ton. And sorry I'm running late.
These phrases will make you sound confident and natural. Use them every day for 30 days and you'll see a huge difference in your English.
And remember, speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. Americans don't expect you to sound like a native speaker. They just want to understand you and connect with you.
So stop worrying about mistakes. Start speaking, start practicing, and in 30 days, you'll be amazed at how confident you feel.
We believe in you. You can do this. Your English is going to improve so much if you just commit to practicing every single day.
All right, everyone, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching Speak